ka book pales ka wan ra shapi ya ka kod ïarap papura ka General Studies Paper 1 pinkeng aktiari lade na ka benda ki competitive exam kum ka MCS MPS bat ki way ki allied services kat kum ka syllabus but to my tam jong ke MPSC araja R4 phila ban yo ye ka na kitukan kod paro ha shillong Kajantia Career Coaching Center Mantakasngi Kalapanlong Yaka Orientation Program Ban Ajihi Ka Yaki Kun Samla Shapang Kilat Kilanti Ban Yakun Yaki Examination Kum Ka DSC But MPSC Yaka Balapanlong Ha District Library Auditorium Mentong Juai Hashwa Jong Kane Lapanlong Yaka Jingelang Hagaba UMDC Ka Juai Central Uma Auhai and Rushulai Ulalong kum ukongsan harangkat ka jingo don lang u sembut kongsan ma lasting suchang but uma mormen wene ki riurang ba basanyang shibon ki jing tho ha ke imlang sa lang lembat ki phongut ki samla pule ki balawan khnang shakani ka program ukongsan ma shulai habakren hakani ka sngi ulai ka jingero yakani ka seng Jantia Career Coaching Center kabalasdang hapo karilum Jantia na ka benta ban ai kum kini kila jihi ka shaki samla pule ki banlong kalawe bapernai jongkari but kejak ben rio.
So one thing I would try to say here is like the early days of your life, right at the time you graduate, mostly is what I feel, what I see in other people who have seen that, who have been clearing all the exams, is mainly how you use your time. How you use your time in all these days. Whether you prepare for your exams, or civil, or you prepare for anything, like Mahalmir said, how much time you have given yourself to read. Like he says, he used to read in the bus, doesn't waste enough time. So what you do in those time in your early days of life, how you prepare yourself, whether it is, like I said again, competitive exams, or now the scope is so much. How you prepare now with the social media and online things happening, now so many things are there. So I don't have much to say to you because I have some work, also I have to some program after this. So I just want to encourage you to be disciplined in what you do and make good use of your time in whatever ways you do, because at this age of yours there's so many distractions from friends and even social distractions. Now what I see, what I used to see, and what I listen also, I mean through experience and from friends also. Now what happened through the too much using of the mobile phones, now our concentration level has come down. Most of us the materials for reading are highly available in the mobile phones. Everything is available in mobile, in the internet now. But the traditional way of reading through a book, that will always be the ideal thing if you want to prepare anything. Don't make use, because the concentration level when you use a phone and when you use a book is totally different. And one more thing I would like to say here also, like one last thing also I said before me also, when you go for exams or when you do anything also, like I used to tell, do you prepare for this DSC exam? Do you prepare for all these exams? Your job exams? No, we just prepare here and there and then we go. That is very bad, which is not advisable at all.
And you all are applying for any kind of examination that is being advertised in the newspaper. I think, because I also have kids of your age, so I could see that, this is the time of your age where you look for advertisement and apply for every job that is there, that is available, which is good. I think you should apply for all kind of jobs. And it's also very important to also be prepared. Because very often, even my children, I could see that some of them, they appear for NET, and some of the two of them they're having master degrees, and they appear for NET, and they went without any preparation. So what do you expect? If you are not prepared, then
I have perkat ya ka jerwat have perkat ya ka permission na UDC yang ka West China Hills I was dang ya ni ka program the kublai sibon ya pi ki was dang ya ni ka coaching center nebenta ki kon krop load yang gri China but let's say now I'm ki bana with one ki district ki one pulai ha ni ka topic